Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, the downward trend for the VIX continued today with a big rally. After 7 straight down days for the broad market, we've had a big rally today. S&P 500 up 2%, buoyed on by big rallies out of Asia and Europe. So the VIX has gone from 37.5 to 28 in a 3 trading day period. A huge down move for the product and an indicator that people expect less movement out of the S&P 500 for weeks to come. We're coming up into a week with little economic data and a couple-week period before Q2 earnings really settle in. So more and more people on the sidelines are expecting the S&Ps to have a smaller range going forward. We have had in the option paper a lot of people coming in to bet on VIX upside. And if you follow the sonars, this happens almost every time we have a significant down move. With the cash down $9 over the past 3 days, some people who need protection reason that this is a good time to buy it. As the VIX drops, they decide to insure against a crash that could come if the VIX is high or could come if the VIX is low. So you see a lot of people coming in playing the upside calls, the 35s, the 40s. All of those have been bought electronically throughout the day. One big trade I wanted to highlight was a 5,000 lot. The July 30, 35, 37 Christmas trade. So on this trade, the customer came in, bought the 30 call, sold both the 35 and 37 call in July. They paid 35 cents for the spread. It's not a huge amount of premium, and what they get is protection between 30 and 42. It's worth $5 between 30 and 37.5 and goes down to 0 at 30 and at 42.5. What they give up is the extreme upside, the crash protection. Above 42.5, they start losing money on the trade. So this is a bet that we could perhaps return to the levels of volatility we were seeing last week. If we go lower in the VIX, they lose their 35 cents. The big downside of the trade is the upside. If we go above 42.5 in a crash scenario, we could get to 50, 60. They'd really start feeling some pain there. So what they're betting here is the VIX will stay in a range, but could move slightly up higher. Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Option Monster.